The Chinese military has started a live firing drill on the Chinese side of the China-Myanmar border. Recent satellite imagery suggests that China has completed construction of a second military aircraft hangar at Myanmar's Coco Islands, which is located about 97 kilometers northeast of North Andaman. Another picture of Indian-manufactured 155mm artillery shells being used by Ukrainian forces has emerged. That has reignited discussions about the indirect supply of military equipment to Ukraine. Munitions India Ltd has announced that it has successfully exported ammunition and explosives valued at a staggering 1,726 crore rupees for fiscal year 2023. The Indian Army has incorporated first-person view drones for tactical operations into its curriculum for new cadets. That will allow highly maneuverable close-quarters reconnaissance and targeting capabilities. Zetwerk is looking to invest up to 350 crore rupees in the next few years to acquire foreign companies involved in manufacturing components for electronic warfare and setting up a new test facility in Tamil Nadu and creating a new drone manufacturing unit. Mahindra Aerostructures has signed a multi-year contract worth $100 million with Airbus Atlantic for the manufacturing and delivery of metallic components for the entire Airbus commercial aircraft family. The Indian Coast Guard has signed a contract with AMCA Integrated Systems Private Limited for the procurement of 28 global maritime distress safety system communication consoles. The Indian Army conducted successful test of new Akash-1S missile, which has an indigenous active seeker that allows long-range engagements. Officials of Defence Ministry, Hindustan Aeronautics, Brahmos Aerospace and Mazagon Dock shipbuilders interacted with the visiting Thailand Navy Delegation. The designers of the AMCA fighter jet have expressed confidence that the 5.5 generation AMCA will surpass other 5th generation jets that are currently under development globally, as the Aeronautical Development Agency will combine the best aspects of both 5th and 6th generation technologies into the AMCA, creating a truly formidable air combat platform. It will feature advanced stealth next-generation air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry and even laser weapon pods that will offer defensive capabilities against small drones and projectiles to enhance battlefield protection. The Indian Navy is contemplating the procurement of 12 additional MH-60R Seahawk helicopters, and the potential deal would be executed through the US government's Foreign Military Sales Program. The potential acquisition of 12 more Seahawks signifies the Indian Navy's satisfaction with the platform's anti-submarine warfare capabilities that will boost its fleet strength to 36 units. The Indian Army is all set to start the development of a next-generation battlefield extraction assist robot, which will be a semi-autonomous robotic system that aims to revolutionize battlefield rescue missions by aiding in the swift and safe recovery of soldiers. The project will be spearheaded by the Army Design Bureau, in collaboration with private sector companies, to leverage their expertise and expedite the development process. Today's top 3 comments.